Got a UTV made in China. He said it was $13,000. He got it in Crystal River, Florida. He was able to title this in what state is it? South Dakota. He was able to get this place to title it, to make it street legal. It's called dirtlegal.com. He's riding on the street in Florida. He said it's like $700 to get it tagged up. For the do the paperwork and all the title to get it titled. $700, that's a lot of money. And then another $600 for the tag. How'd they charge that much for the tag? For the first year. It's really different. It's a UTV, but it's made in China. I can't believe he's able to tag it. I bet the police pull him over in Florida. They're not used to seeing these on the road. I guess there's nothing they can do. He has insurance. He said $600 a year for full coverage insurance for full coverage from Geico. Geico insures it. It's unusual. Really unusual.